Hi. So AI is not just limited to creating lesson plans. You can create n number of teaching learning materials, we call it TLM, that will help you. Can you name some teaching learning materials? Let's see. So some of the TLMs such as concept map, you can generate flowcharts, you can generate chapter summaries, worksheet, and story-based explanations, analogy to give a real-world examples. You can create visuals, and if there's any topic which you think can be taught using some physical instruments, you can create TLM, you can create physical TLM. Revision sheets are very important. You will get one-page summary sheet that will help students revise and as a checklist. You can also get some role play scripts. So for different teachers, different TLMs are required. For science teacher, maybe a story-based explanation may not work. For an English teacher, maybe physical TLM will not work, but you can choose the appropriate TLM as per your subject and as per your need. Let's start creating our first TLM. So identify a difficult concept which is hard to teach in your subject domain. I have given some examples. Let's take a blood circulation, democracy, or gravity, or chemical bonding, any topic. Now, if you think that this topic is difficult to teach, you can create an analogy. You can prompt, like provide 3 relatable analogy for this concept for a 10-year-old. You can also give a more specific prompt like link this topic with current affairs. Now you will get some story, some analogy, and you have to decide whether it's going well or not before accepting or before releasing to your classroom. So like in the current affairs, I can see the IPL is going on. You can say that can you give the analogy with respect to IPL? Or there is a LPG shortage. Currently I am in April or May 2026. So there was an LPG shortage. So you can ask AI to generate a relatable analogy that will help. Now create an analogy and we will see whether it's going well or not. Let's try out one here. Let's take a topic democracy, and I'm going to use chatgpt.com. So I'm copy pasting to save the time. So provide 3 relatable analogies for democracy. Though this topic is very easy, we should have taken a little more hard topic, but let's see what is the output. So it has given it some output. Like imagine your class wants to choose a game for sports period. Everyone gets 1 vote and the game with the most votes win. Democracy is similar. People vote to choose leaders and decision together. So it's a pizza topping analogy. A group of friends hai, bada pizza mangaya, instead of one person deciding all the toppings, everyone share their opinions. The topping most people wants is chosen. So the topic we have chosen was not so hard, but this is how you can use AI to generate relatable analogies. Now create an analogy and we'll see you in the next video.